What's up, you guys? So in this video, I want to reveal to you how much YouTube paid me in the year 2020. Now guys, I'm actually really excited about this video because I've been wanting to do this since I started my channel back in 2019. If you guys have ever seen any of those videos where these big YouTubers post how much money I made with YouTube monetization in the year 2020, in the year 2019, any of those videos, I've always wanted to do that. And I'm really excited to be able to do that because I've finally been monetized for a full year. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on YouTube, TikTok, and how you can make passive income. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. Now guys, I'm going to kind of walk you through everything and how my journey started before I reveal to you everything, okay? So I'm going to go to my analytics and I just want to show you guys something and why this is so powerful, okay? Now, if you can see the date here, this is 2019, okay? This is when I started my channel. You can see here, this is like my first video, okay? Now, I got monetized this day here, okay? It was December 15th, 2019, okay? So I got monetized this day, meaning that's when I was able to put ads on my YouTube channel. Now, if you guys don't know what YouTube monetization is, it's basically, if you've ever seen an ad on any videos that you watch, that means that channel is monetized and they get paid because people are running ads on their account. Now, why would you want this? Because it's a way to make extra income. I know a lot of people are looking to make passive income, and it's just a way to make extra money. Now, real quick, if you guys don't know how it works, the way to get monetized on YouTube is you have to hit a few criteria, okay? So the first one here is you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and then you have to have 4,000 watch hours, okay? That's the main thing on how you get YouTube monetized, right? Once you hit that, then you can start running ads on your account. Now, as far as how much you get paid per video, that really depends on your niche. I'm in the make money online niche, the affiliate marketing niche, so I actually get paid pretty well for my videos, okay? But this is basically how much I made in 2019, right? So I was only monetized for a few days, for a few weeks in 2019, okay? Now I'm gonna reveal to you guys how much I made in 2020. And actually, I'm really excited about this because I have a small channel, right? I mean, I'm barely at 17,000 subscribers now. So here we go. Let me just show you how much I made in 2020, guys. $9,319, okay? So I know that's not like a crazy amount of money, but I do have a small subscriber count, right? Now, what's really important about this, guys, is how much I made per view. So if I go to my revenue in my analytics, you can see that I made $50 CPM, okay? Now, that's actually very high, okay? What that means is for every 1,000 people that watch my videos, I get $50, okay? Now, let's type into Google, what's the average CPM YouTube, okay? And it's typically around $6 to $8, right? You can see here the average CPM is $6 to $8. So guys, I'm like almost 10 times that with my channel. Now, the reason why is because my niche, right? I talk about, you know, financials, how to make money online, business, funnels, all that stuff that helps businesses grow their account. And the reason why, you know, I get paid more for my ads is because businesses want to run ads on channels like mine, okay? And that's why my CPM is a lot higher. Now, I want to take you through everything, guys, and which videos made me the most money, which videos had the highest CPM. I think it's going to be really helpful if you're looking to get monetized this year or the next year, okay? Now, again, guys, I did over $9,000 in YouTube ad revenue, okay? Now, what I want to explain is this is not my main source of income, okay, guys? I quit my job in 2020, actually March 2020, to do affiliate marketing, and I've done well over 6 figures, guys, with affiliate marketing. This is just a tip jar. This is just extra money that comes in, okay? But it's very nice to have, you know, an extra $10,000 for a small channel. That's nice, right? I want to help you guys build passive income streams, and this is one of them, okay? But let me just walk you through here some of the top earning videos, okay? I want to break this down for you guys because I really want you guys to understand this, okay? Now I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Now, the top earning video for 2020 is this free PayPal video, okay? Now, let's look at a few things here, okay? I'm going to open this specific video here, and we're just going to look at just 2020 itself, okay? So I'm going to go to 2020. Now, this video has over 52,000 views, okay? So there's one thing I really want you guys to understand, okay? It has over 52,000 views with $300 in revenue, right? That's just with one video. but the CPM on this is very low. Now, this is a video that's talking about how to make money with PayPal. So we're targeting different people, right? We're targeting people that kind of want that fast money, that are not willing to put in money for their business, right? So these are the type of people you attract, right? So I really want you guys to understand what type of content I make to make more money, but more importantly, build my business, okay? So this is this video. Now let's look at a different video that has a high CPM, okay? So remember, that PayPal video had $14 CPM. Let's look at one that has a very, very high CPM. Let's look at this one right here, okay? Let's look at this one. This is a $109 CPM, okay? So let's take a look at that. Oops, let me go back over here. Now it's this one right here, okay? I'm gonna actually go to this video, and I just wanna compare the two, guys, because this is really important to understand if you're looking to crush it with YouTube, okay? Now this one right here, I'm just gonna go to 2020. 2.3 thousand views, okay, which is not that much compared to the other one, right? Remember, if we go back, this one had 52,000 views with $300, okay? Okay, 52,000 views at $300. This one has 2,000 views at $146, okay? So views don't matter as much as the CPM, okay? Now, if I go to revenue here, you can see the CPM on this is $109, guys. And why is that, okay? Because I'm targeting a different audience here, right? People that want to grow their business with ads, right? In this case, I'm showing people how to run TikTok ads, right? So guys, it's really important that you understand how all this works, okay? Because if you guys understand the power of keywords and who you're trying to target, you can make a lot more money, right? Now, not just with not just with ad revenue itself. It also depends on what programs you're promoting, right? Now, I can go back and I can tell you which videos made me the most money on the back end of my affiliate marketing business because of the keywords I'm targeting, okay? But that'll be another video I can do, but I just wanted to kind of explain how the revenue works and everything, okay, just like that. Now, I do want to mention a few more things here, guys. You can see that I had a spike in revenue in December, November, December, because usually advertisers will spend more money in these last few months, okay? So I'm just gonna go to the last 90 days, and you can see actually a bulk of my income came from December, last few months of being monetized. So you can see here, I did post a lot more content here, so that does make a difference. But it was mostly because I think, advertisers spend all their budget in December, in November for the Christmas and the holiday season. So you can see here, guys, just a quick overview. That was about $600 in August, $492 in September. It bumped up to about $800. And then look at this, guys. In November, we did over $1,500 in ad revenue. In December, almost another $1,500. So guys, I just wanted to reveal to you guys how ad revenue works. It's really cool once you get monetized because it's just extra money, right? It's extra money that helps with income. Helps you. I take this money and throw it back into my business. I throw it back into my ads. I create jobs for people. Like, this is just extra money that I use to throw back into my business. So anyways, guys, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, passive income, I have a new 3-day challenge that's going to walk you through how to get started. It's only $7, guys. I just released this product a couple weeks ago. Brand new product. If you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a link to that down below. It's going to add you to a private Facebook group, and it's going to walk you through a brand new challenge that's going to show you how I've done 6 figures in just 6 months and quit my job in 9 months. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Please subscribe to the channel, and God bless.